One more quick point. Just as we know that this has been resistance, we're not quite sure that it's flipped to support yet. But another trade that is doable here, or that you can look at because it gives you great risk management entry, is a call off of this number on ES. Somewhere down in this area, right? Looking for a reversal trade off of the move we had yesterday. Although I just get the feeling that there's a number of different factors bearing down on the market that makes me think we're not going to get a big bounce. But if you decided to take this trade, right, which would be you take a call here, right, your stop has got to be right here, right underneath there, where those two little blue circles I just drew are, right? Your stop has got to be if it breaks this line. Your entry is down here. Some people may want to enter on a low day yesterday, okay, on ES for a call. That could be a trade as well. Um, but I would be very careful on what because of the way the market traded overnight. It doesn't give me a lot of confidence that we're going to see this kind of bounce again. Now, does that mean that won't happen? I don't know. Anybody tells you that they can tell you what is going to happen, yeah, is a fool. Okay, so we could get a huge bounce there, and we do know that we've got a well-defined area to enter at 57.30 ish for calls, and then if it breaks underneath there, just lick your wounds and get out for a very small loss. It's not about knowing that this trade is going to work or not work because you don't know. All right, any more than you know whether a coin flip is going to come up heads or tails. Um, just have a stop loss right there if you're going to take a call. That's my only point. On the SPY, it would look like either yesterday's lows here or the biggie 565.20. So a call there, right? Take a call there, hope for the bounce, right? Hope for the bounce. You don't get the bounce, then what happens if you don't get the bounce? Then you stop out right under it, right under it. Your stop is immediately underneath there. Right? Give yourself a little wiggle room, but not much because you want to keep your losses to a minimum. So those are my long and short ideas for the day.